Crochet Angels, we are going to learn how to make the thermal stitch. So we're going to start with a slip knot. You're going to place your yarn over itself, pull the working yarn through the middle, tighten it off on your hook. You'll create a chain, which is any length that you need. Then we're going to work in the back bump, and I'll point it out to you right now, which is just boop and boop. We're going to work in the second chain from the hook. We're going to yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through both loops. That is a single crochet in the back bump. Again, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. I'm going to meet you at the end of the row. We're going to make a turning chain and then turn our work. For row 2, we're going to work in the back loop right there. So we're going to work in the second chain from the hook, insert our hook into the back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two. Back loop, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through two loops. We're going to continue this to the end of the row. If you feel like your squares are not squares or your circles are not circles, use a stitch marker on the first stitch of every row, so that way you know where to begin and end. We're going to end our row right here. We're going to create a turning chain. For our third row, we're going to do something different again. Now we're going to work in the back bump as well as the unworked loop from the previous row. So back bump, right there. We're going to insert our hook into the second chain from the hook, and then we're going to work into that unworked loop from the previous row. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And we're going to continue that down the entire row. So insert your loop into the back bump, insert your loop into the unworked loop, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. Again, that stitch marker will make sure that your squares remain squares, your rectangles remain rectangles, and not rhombuses. So when we finish that row, we are going to add a turning chain, but this time our turning chain is going to be a pretty pink. So if you want to change colors, you're just going to keep the original color on your hook, pull your new color through, add a turning chain, turn your work, and then you'll work in the second chain from the hook, back loop only, and unworked loop. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. And that's how you can make a thermal stitch with a stripe. It's just that easy. And if you didn't learn this, then you wouldn't know how to make an iPad cover. So I had to teach you this first. Yay.